What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Pochita from Chainsaw Man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a circle for the eye. We'll start from the very top in the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to push the pupil towards the top left side of the eye. So we're going to draw a smaller circle, starting from the edge, coming in, all the way around, and then back out. And then along the bottom we're going to add a curve for a glare. And we'll fill the top of the pupil in black. Now with the eye in place, let's move over towards the left and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start right here, curve the mouth coming down, and then up. Just want to blend this in towards the head, going all the way up towards the top, and go across towards the right. Now from here we can place the blade in behind the head. Let's start from the top, draw a straight line going out towards the left, come down towards the bottom, draw another straight line. I'm just going to line this up. Let's connect the ends with a curve, almost like a half circle, going all the way around and then back in. Let's trace this blade along the inside. So I'll start from the top, going out, round this out, and pull that back in. Let's add a texture inside that trim. Starting from the top, we're just going to angle this up and out. Use a gap and just work our way around the side. And place the left side of the muzzle in behind the blade. So starting up here, curve this down and back up. Now underneath, we're going to draw the mouth. Coming down and then up like a half oval. Let's add two pointed teeth along the top. So we'll start on the left with a V, and one on the right. Now along the bottom, we're going to add a curve going out and down for the tongue. Let's surround the blade with these teeth. We're going to start from the top. We're just going to draw a straight line going up. Step over, draw a short one. Step over again, draw another long one. I'm just going to alternate the length going all the way around the outside of the blade. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to angle this down and over to the left. And we're just going to repeat this all the way around. Let's go back to the outside of the mouth, curve the body, coming down, and we'll bend that in. Let's go back up to the top and place in the handle. We're going to draw a straight angled line going across the top of the head and then out. Then this up and then down toward the left. Now we're going to draw that same angle line coming down in behind the head. Let's go back. We're just going to round out the bottom of the handle. Draw an angle line going up towards the top of the handle. I'm going to round out the corner, curve this up and then down toward the left. Round this out and come straight down and out. Now I'm going to go back and place that arm on top of the body. Let's step up, bend this down and forward. Round out the hand, taper this out and then back up. Let's draw that same arm in behind the body on the left. Down and out. Round out the hand and pull that back up. And we'll separate the toes with two curves. Now I want to continue the curve of the body on the right side of this arm, and down and up toward the back leg. So let's layer the leg on top. So we're going to step up, then the thigh, coming down, and then up. Step back, curve the foot, coming down, and then up towards the heel. Let's round up the heel, come down, bend this in, and then up. Now I want to finish off the back side of the body. So let's continue this curve on the right side of the handle. We're going to go out, bend that down towards the tail. Let's curve the tail going out and then up. Taper that back in towards the back. Let's finish off this curve. Go out, down, and then pull that in behind the leg. Now we're going to add that handle along the back of the tail. So from the tip, angle this up and then out. round out the top and back out. Let's trace this handle along the inside, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Pochita from Chainsaw Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.